This lab 9, which is we need to use Matlab. In this lab, we have part A, part B, and part C. Okay, for the part A, which is Matlab expression. Okay, in the part A, already given a few questions that we need to find the answer using the Matlab that we already installed. Okay, so now we need to find the answer. To find the answer in part A, based on the question given. So this is the first question, which is A equal E square. So in Matlab we use A equal E. We use in Matlab EXP square in bracket 2. That's why in bracket 2 because E square. Then after complete the expression, we need to press the enter. Then we get the answer A equals 7.3891. Then for the next question, B equals E power of 3. So B equals EXP in bracket 3 because E power of 3. So to complete, we enter. Then we get the answer B equal 20.0855. Okay, for the next question, C equal ln E plus ln E power of 3. So in Matlab, we use C equal ln, we change to log. Ln is equal log. Is same with log. So we use in Matlab log in bracket EXP, in bracket 1 because ln E, and then plus log in bracket EXP 3 because E power of 3. Then after complete, we press C enter, and we get the answer C equal 4. Then the next question, C equal log E plus log E power of 3. So C equal log in Matlab. If the question given log, so we need to insert in Matlab log base 10 E in bracket EXP in bracket 1 because there's only E. Then plus log base 10 in bracket EXP in bracket 3 because log E power of 3. After complete, we press enter. Then we get the answer 1.7372. Then for the next question, which is E equal 5. So E equal 5 in Matlab, we use PI. So then after complete, we enter, we get the answer E equal 3.1416. Then for the next question, which is F equal cos in bracket pi over 4. So F equal cos. So in Matlab it's still same, just insert cos in bracket pi. So in Matlab we use pi, which is 4 pi. Then over 4, which is divide 4. So in Matlab for divide we use slash, we just insert slash, then 4 is a bracket, complete the bracket, then complete the expression, then enter. We will get the answer F equals 0.7071. Okay, next for the next question in part A. Okay, the question given G equal E power of 3 square root 131. Okay. In Matlab, we insert G, is same G equal E, we change to EXP, then 3 in bracket, okay, 3 is still same, then multiply of this square root. So in Matlab, we insert, we type SQRT, which is for square root, in bracket 131. So in bracket, so this is a complete expression. Then we press the enter, we will get the answer 8.1693E plus 14. Okay. Then the next question, which is h equal log 5 plus log base e 5 plus log base 2e base 2 5. Okay. In Matlab, h is h equal log in Matlab we use log base 2. Okay, 5 in bracket still 5, then log e, which is why we not insert log 1, because e we know that is equal to 1, so base 1, so it doesn't have to insert log 10 because it's just enough, just only log. Right, so 5 to 5 plus log base 2, so log base 2, which means 2, then 5 in bracket, then after complete, we press the enter, we get the answer h equal 4.6303. Okay, for the part B, which is Matlab Arithmetic. For the Matlab Arithmetic, in question 2, we need to evaluate the hypotenuse of right triangle. Okay, in the question already given side A equal 4, which is side A, then side B equal 3, which is side B equal 3. So we need to find C, or we can call it hypotenuse. So we need to use formula hypotenuse. Okay, for the question in part B, we need to find the hypotenuse. So in the question, we already given side A, side B. Okay, so the side A is equal to 4. So, and don't forget to insert semicolon. After that, we know that B equal 3. Then semicolon, press enter. Then we need to insert the formula to find the hypotenuse. So C, which is side for hypotenuse. So C equal square root in bracket A power A square plus in bracket B square. Okay, then to complete the expression to formula to find the hypotenuse, then press the key enter, and we will get the answer C equal 5. So the hypotenuse is 5.
For part C, we need to find the average of three given value. First, we need to state the value of A, value of B, and value of C. After that, we will calculate the average, which is equal to A plus B plus C divided with 3. And then we will get the average value for 3 given value is 23. By using Matlab, we can also solve the application question. For example, questions for where we will need to calculate the total amount of interest for a car with the price 90,000 ringgit and the monthly installment for 7 years. To solve question number 4, first we need to state the price of the car, which is equal to 90,000. And then to calculate the interest, which is equal to price times with 0.027, and then we will get the interest is 2,430. After that, we can calculate total interest, which is equal to interest times with 7 for 7 years. And then we will get that the interest is 17,010 ringgit. After that, we will calculate the total pay for monthly installment for 7 years. Which is equal to price plus with the total interest, and then we will get 107,010 ringgit Malaysia. And we can also calculate the monthly installment pay per month, which is equal to total monthly installment divided with 84 months. And then we will get monthly installment is equal to 1,273 ringgit per month. And now for the next question, question number 5, we will need to calculate the total investment of Afika with the dividend 8.5% per year from 2015 until 2020. To solve question number 5, first we need to find the total investment. First investment is total to 10,000. Monthly installment for 5 years. And then we will get the monthly installment is 6,000. To calculate the total investment, we need to plus both of them. Investment plus with the monthly. We will get total investment is 16,000. After that, we will need to calculate the dividend, which is total investment times with 0.8085. where we get the total dividend is 1360. After that, we will need to plus both of the total to find the amount of investment for 5 years. So here we will get amount investment that Afika has invest for 5 years is 17,360 ringgit.